Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add text on Filmora. At first I'm going to tell you about these pre-made or custom templates, then I will show you the basic of how to make a completely new text that is fully made by you. Now at the second option there is titles. Titles are also like the intros. You can see that. Let me delete this one. You can see that there are various type of amazing animations, so you can also just double click it and you can edit your text here. Okay, then in the lower thirds there will be lower third text. Let me show you a sample. Isn't it so amazing? You can just double click it. You can also edit this text. Okay, after that there are subtitles. You can use the subtitle from here, but in the version 10 of Filmora there is no option for auto-generated subtitle, but if you are using Filmora or Wondershare 11 you'll be able to get that option. And the end credits, you know about the end credits I think, and from this option you can use the end credits. Actually these are all about the pre-made custom that I have already mentioned, but now I'm going to show you how to make a completely new text with custom animation, custom text, anything. For that, go to include and just click and drag any text you want, double click it, go to advanced. Now this is the interface. You can edit anything from here. I'm going to change the font. There are every font that your computer won't, like I'm using this font. You can also increase the size, or you can also bold the text, you can align the text, or you can add another text from here. You can also add any photo if you want. You can also add any shapes from here. Now after that you can go to animation. There are many types of animation. You can also adjust the length of the animation starting and animation ending. There are various animation. You can see you can use any of them, like this one, this one, or this one. Actually there are various types of option. You can just choose anything. Now you can click OK from here, and that's all about the basic. You can also use the presets. In the left side there is an option that is presets, and under this section there are many type of preset text style, like this one, this one, this one. In this way you can easily add text in Filmora. You can also adjust this. So that's all about today's video. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching the full video. See you in the next one.